Welcome to Rubab Kitchen Secrets. Today I am sharing a recipe of very soft and spongy marble cake. It's very delicious and best for tea time. First, we put a half cup softened butter and beat for 1 minute. Add 3/4 cup of sugar and beat for at least 2 minutes. Add 3 eggs one by one and beat the mixture. Add a half cup of milk. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat all ingredients until the mixture turns light yellow and foamy. Now add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Little by little. Scrap all the sides. Add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and beat for the last 1 minute. Done. Now take an empty bowl, put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of warm water. Give them a good mix and rest for a minute. After 1 minute, add 1/3 of cake batter in this mixture and mix. Done. Now take a grease pan and put cake batter like that into it. Follow all these steps carefully. Now bake for 40 minutes at 350 C. Cake is ready. It's time to cut the cake. It's ready. Enjoy the cake with tea or coffee. Thanks for watching.